Hello, welcome to Maison Network channel again, and today I'm going to do an unboxing for this incredible, I would say good, not say incredible, but good product. It's called Feichen 6D DS-9166 shaver 4-in-1. So if you look closely, floating dual foil. Okay, so this is the box. If you like this product, the link will be below the video. Okay, shave, trim, nose, and additional brush for face. So side, then this full size trim blade 32mm. Okay, okay. Thing here. Okay, then let's unboxing it. Okay, so we have the USB charging. Oh, by the way, the one that people always sell is the old one charger with the 2-pin charger, which the old charger with USB. But this is the upgrade one because it's released on 2021, and then using USB micro. Why is not focus? USB micro. Let's see. I'm sorry for the camera. I don't know how to focus it. Okay, so USB charging 5V. But okay, so this is the head. 60 right there on the side. Okay, you can open it. Actually, there's a button here. Open it. See. Okay, close it back. Right, that's a head, and then the trimmer. Okay, and then nose for the nose shave. Brush, nail brush, and last but not least, a brush for face. Okay, and then this one, and wait, let's see. Oh yeah, manual, but writing in Chinese, in Mandarin I assume. Here. Hi, sorry for the focus. Okay, for those who read Chinese. Okay, done. Let's try it. There's a sticker here. Okay. Slide up. Let's see. Slide up on. That's the sound, guys. Ooh, sorry, I never used this shaver actually. Okay, to change, just plug like this, unplug, and then there's a little like to how to say this, like extra. It's not really center. There's another like a not button but something else there. So you just like put like this. Okay. Okay, and then unplug, and let's use this brush. When I search online, I always curious whether it will how the it's gonna be operate. Yes, going around like that. Not really fast, but okay. And the brush is not hard, not soft also, not really that soft. So yeah, and it's very cheap. I bought it only 20 something, 29 or something like that. So this is my unboxing and review, and I recommend you to buy this because of it's very cheap. And then I always buy the face brush for face, which is the rotate one, electric, but with battery, always caught up. Always only use like 1-2 months like that, but I think this one will last long. And then you have this charger with USB, so you can charge anywhere rather than you have the old charger pin. Okay, thank you for watching. Link will be below.